The sound which we will do today is T sound. T, T. This is T. Now tell me the words having T sound. Truck. T, truck. What is the starting sound of truck? T, T. T, tree. T, tree. What is the starting sound of tree? T, T. What is the starting sound? T, T, tree. Tomato. T, tomato. What is the starting sound of tomato? T, T, T. Tomato is in the start and at the end. Next word is tiger. T, tiger. T, 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 tiger. T, tiger. Now ask the student to write T sound. How to write T? Start from here, come down, 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 then stop here, and after that draw the line here. Okay? Now tell the words having T sound. T, T, tuck, tuck shop, T, tuck. T, telephone, T, tennis. So the student can tell the sound of having T. Now ask the student to blend the word. Blending is must. Practice makes a man perfect. Daily ask your student to blend. Sat, sat. Without blending you cannot do anything. Sit, sit. Sip, sip. Daily make practice of these words. Sun, sun. At, at. T is our sound, the sound of today. Pat, pat. This word have T sound. Pin, pin. Sin, sin. Pit, pit. Pot, pot. Pit has T sound. Pot, pot. Pot has T sound. Then bat. Bat, bat. Bat has T sound. Then cat, cat. Cat has T sound. Ant, ant. Ant has T sound. Ant, ant. T sound. Bot. Bot, bot. T is at the end of the bot. T, train, train. T is at the start of the T. Computer, computer. T is here, computer. Quilt, quilt. T is at the end of the quilt. T, telephone. T is at the start of the T sound, telephone. Paint, paint. T is at the end of the paint. Doctor, doctor. T is at the end of the T, doctor. Teacher, teacher. T is at the start of the teacher. Pilot, pilot. Pilot. T is at the end of the pilot, pilot. Tailor, tailor. T is at the start of the tailor, tailor. Pilot, pilot. T is at the end of the pilot.